Hey everyone, Tony Winston here, Jazz Piano College. I got a beautiful song here, Hymne A Love. Je ne parle pas français, so I don't even know how to pronounce the title. But anyway, the sheet music is absolutely free. It's down in the description. I kind of did a screenshot of the first page, the main part of the song, and then the middle section. I couldn't really find a good chart for that, so I just wrote one out. All right, so let me start with the middle part. This is the part that I wrote out. I just listened to Edith Piaf sing it, and it sounded like this to me, and I'm pretty sure it's pretty accurate. So. Then you want to kind of wait and pause a little bit, and I'm going to talk a little bit in this so I don't get the copyright thing. Probably could have put a bigger chord down there for G. Let's see. Next one, we've got the Stairway to Heaven chord progression going on here. So. And an A flat 7 would be pretty good there, I guess. I don't know why I didn't make it that way. And then, here's like, what's this song like? It's the same chords to Autumn Leaves right here. And that's another song I've been working on covering. Should have a video out in a few days. Do a little arpeggio there. I do speak Italian. About 10 words. All right, and then we get to the song here. And Edith Piaf is credited as one of the writers, so that's great. So I play slightly bigger chords, but this is a good arrangement. If you play it exactly as written, I think you'll be fine with it. Now here. I wrote it that way. On the second F minor there, go down to the 7th in the bass. And here, I really think it's D in the bass, and then you could take it down like that. Jazz right here. So, just a performance tip, and I'm talking through this. If you want to hear me play it without talking, I'll put a link to that video at the end. I do perform it, sort of. So anyway, here it is. Hit that F kind of hard, and put the chords in real soft underneath. And here they just take the melody up an octave so you can make it a little bit more expansive. Once again, I like that B. To me, that just sounds great right there. But here's how they wrote it. And that's nice too. And almost all the singers I heard went down to these notes rather quickly, and then just drag out the ending. So anyway, I got a request from one of my, or actually a great suggestion from one of my Patreon subscribers, and he gave me a whole list of French songs because the Olympics is going on right now, and so I'm going to try to get out as many of them as I can real quick for y'all. Let's see what I've got here so far. I've got C'est si bon. I've played that song before with a great Canadian singer. La Vie en Rose. I Will Wait for You, Michel Legrand. another Michel Legrand, Windmills of My Mind, and then, there's some other ones I could cover by him that I haven't done in a while. And what else could I do? I don't know. The list is about 10 songs. So thanks, everyone.